welcome to the deep dive. If you own property, maybe especially in Kitsilano, Vancouver, you probably know about that annual plumbing notice that comes around. Today we're looking at the sources, specifically some helpful info from the Pacific Blue Mechanical and Plumbing website. We want to figure out not just what these backflow rules are, but, why they're there and what you actually need to know right now.
Exactly. Yeah, the goal here is to cut through the technical talk, get right to why this annual backflow testing is, pretty much essential for property management, and importantly, how understanding it actually helps your wallet and public health too.
Okay, let's jump right in then. Backflow. It sounds, bad. We're not talking about just a small leak here, are we? It sounds like serious contamination. So what's the basic idea? What is the city of Vancouver trying to prevent?
Right. It's not just one thing. Backflow is basically when water flows the wrong direction in your pipes. And the big danger is that it can pull bad stuff, contaminants, into the clean water you drink or use. This happens mainly through what's called a cross-connection. The research, like on the Pacific Blue site, mentions two main ways. First, there's back siphonage. Think a big water main break nearby, causing city pressure to suddenly drop. It sucks water backward. And second, back pressure. That's when pressure inside your system, maybe from a boiler or even a garden hose sprayer, gets higher than the city water pressure. It pushes water, potentially contaminated water, back out.
Wow, okay, so instead of fresh water coming in, you could get, heating chemicals, pool water, even wastewater sucked back into the drinking water.
Exactly, dirty water going where it shouldn't.
That really puts the rules into perspective. So what are Vancouver's actual requirements, especially thinking about areas like Kitsilano?
Yeah, the city takes it very seriously because a local problem can spread, right? Become a public health issue. So the rule is pretty strict. All commercial buildings need this test annually. And some homes too, if they have higher risks like irrigation systems or maybe fire sprinklers, they need a backflow assembly test every single year.
Every year?
Yep. And if you don't get it done, it's not just a reminder you missed, it's a violation. We're talking significant fines, legal trouble.
Okay, fines are one thing. But is that the only reason? Just avoiding a penalty? What's the bigger picture here? The health reason? The economic one that makes this annual check necessary?
That's a really good question. And yeah, the sources, like Pacific Blue Mechanical site, they point out benefits way beyond just dodging a fine. Benefit number one is health, obviously. Proactive protection. The test makes sure the actual device, the physical backflow preventer, is working right, like an RPZ or DCVA valve. It has to function perfectly.
To stop the bad stuff getting in.
Exactly. And benefit number two is money, actually. Finding a small problem early with the test device means you avoid potentially huge damage later. Think about the cost if your building did contaminate the city water supply. Massive liability.
Oof, yeah.
So paying for the annual test is way, way cheaper than cleaning up a disaster or facing lawsuits.
Preventative maintenance versus emergency response. Makes total sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so for someone listening, maybe with a property in Kits right now, what should they look out for? Are there simple signs, like visual clues that their backflow preventer might be failing?
Yeah, definitely things to watch for. Pay close attention to your water quality. Is it discolored, brown, yellow, maybe even a weird greenish tint? That's a big red flag.
Okay, color changes. What else?
Any strange smells, like metallic smell, or maybe sulfur, like rotten eggs. Notice that. And this is important. Check your water pressure. If you suddenly have really low pressure, much lower than usual, that could be a sign something's wrong, possibly leading to that back siphonage we talked about.
Right. So discolored water, funny smells, or a sudden drop in pressure. If you see those things, what's the immediate step?
Stop using the water. That's the first thing. Don't drink it, don't cook with it. Probably best not to bathe in it right away.
Okay, stop using it, then what?
And don't try fixing the device yourself. These things are critical safety equipment. You absolutely have to call a certified professional. The Pacific Blue Mechanical site mentions this too. Only certified techs are allowed by the city to do this work.
Certified only. Why is that?
Because they need to test, repair, or replace these assemblies correctly. It guarantees the fix is right and protects the public water system for everyone. They know how to calibrate it properly.
Got it. Certified pro, don't DIY. So, just to quickly recap for everyone listening, especially in Vancouver and Kitsilano, this annual testing isn't just bureaucracy. It's how the city ensures water safety, it reduces your liability as a property owner, and honestly, it saves you potentially huge costs later on.
That's the bottom line. Regular, certified testing protects your property, your investment, and, yeah, your neighbors too.
Okay, one final thought to leave you with. The Pacific Blue Mechanical sources mention something interesting. Smart devices. like IoT tech. Apparently, they're starting to be used to watch water flow and pipe conditions in real time, continuously.
Oh, interesting. Real-time monitoring.
Yeah. So here's the question. If technology gets good enough to watch our water pipes constantly every second, will we still need these manual annual tests forever? Could that mandatory yearly check become, well, obsolete someday? Something to think about.